Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Buy Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the resetting process itself. So, first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press the side button again to open the menu, like that. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down, scroll down, and find the option called the system menu. And once you find it, tap on it, come on. And here, find the option called the reset. And of course, tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch will reset to the factory default settings. If it's paired with your phone, and you don't want it to try to connect to your phone again, you will need to unpair it from your phone as well. Otherwise, when you open the CMF app, I believe the watch will try to connect to your watch, or rather, watch will try to connect to your phone rather, my bad, automatically. And let's check it. I'm gonna open the app on my phone, and actually it doesn't. So I guess you don't need to do it, but I'm pretty sure it was like that when I tried to do it through the app, because you can also reset the watch through the application, and when I did, it tried to connect to the phone automatically, but in the case of settings, apparently it's not the thing. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.